Baby!
Look at Daddy.
Baby!
Daddy.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go.
What's up, DESFAM? How we doing today? Today we got a fun and new adventure. We're about 2 hours away from Los Angeles and about 15 minutes away from the city of Palm Springs in California. We got a special surprise and it involves dinosaurs. So come with us on another DESFAM adventure. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe to check out all of our videos and all of our adventures. So let's get ready and let's go! Alright, so we're about 2 hours away from LA in the city of Cabazon, and right behind me is a huge dinosaur, guys. This is Cabazon, California, right here. This area has been very famous. It's just right off the I-10 freeway. It's been very famous. It's been all over all kinds of movies, like Pee-wee's Big Adventure, a couple other ones I can't really name off the top of my head because there's so many. But this place is real famous. It's real iconic, and it's really cool. It's a cool spot to take the family out and check out. They have a cool souvenir shop inside of the purple dinosaur, and it kind of looks like the Flintstones at the moment. It looks like a Dino, and then the other one, the T-Rex, looks like Fred Flintstone. Pretty cool stuff. I don't know if you can see it right over here. There he is. Right there. What is that, baby? What is it? Dinosaur. Rawr. How does dinosaur go? Huh? How does dinosaur go? How does dinosaur go? Huh? So as you guys walk inside the purple dinosaur, there's a really cool gift shop on the inside of it, all the way up to the top. They have really cool souvenirs, cool stuff for the kids, and a lot of like exploring and exploration and discovery stuff. So it's pretty cool. So make sure you guys check that out when you guys come inside. It's inside the purple dinosaur that looks like Dino from the Flintstones. Alright guys, so right now we're going to go check out the mother of all dinosaurs, the T-Rex. We're going to go check out what's inside of it, if there's anything inside of it. They also got this really cool, like, kind of like diner food truck kind of thing, serving up some treats and some desserts. So we're just going to go check that out as well. So come along with us, guys. Let's go check it out. So guys, check this out. These are the coolest dinosaur treats ever. They're huge. Look at them. This one has strawberry, and this one has 2 Oreo cookies, and they have powdered sugar on it and dusted sugar on it. So we're gonna tear these up and give them a try, guys. These look super awesome and super yummy.
Alright guys, so we got these super cute little dinosaur ice creams. Basically, you choose your type of dinosaur waffle you want. So we chose cinnamon sugar and then original. And then we also get to choose your type of ice cream and then toppings. And she's over here loving the Oreos and this little wafer stick. It's pretty cute, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to take a scoop bite of the strawberry one. It looks like it has fresh strawberries. And then of course we got sprinkles for the baby. Let's give it a try. Really good. It's worth the $8. Alright guys, so on this one we got the cookies and cream with a churro T-Rex on top. Let's give it a shot and see how it tastes.
We'll get the Oreos.
Oh, the Oreos.
How is it?
Pretty good. This one's like my favorite, I think.
Is it really creamy?
Very creamy. Oreos are nice and rich. Good pieces of chunk. Oh my gosh, I just spit. The Oreo. Really good, guys. Definitely recommend you guys coming here and bringing the kids. Or just a fun little date.
Alright, so we're going to give this one a try. Miranda said this one was the cookies and cream one. Is it cookies and cream or cookies and dough or cookies and sugar? Cookies, whatever. Yeah, it's really good, guys. This is like something that you can eat all day long and never get full of. That's really good. Alright, let's give this donut thing a try. Oh my god, it's like a donut. It's really good. Alright guys, let's go explore the rest of this place. This place has like a little type of museum, type of walkthrough of like Jurassic dinosaurs and all kinds of stuff like that. So let's go check that out. So come on, let's go. Alright, so now we're starting to walk up into the Mr. Bones Dinosaur Adventure area where you can just climb inside the T-Rex, you can dig for gemstones, you can dig dinosaur bones, fossil panning, and robotic dinosaurs. So it's pretty cool. It's just a little bit of a walk, about maybe 100 feet away from the other dinosaurs, so it's not too bad. Roar. Roar. Hey look, it's Blue from Jurassic Park's world. Easy, Blue. Alright, so they got like a little video here to teach you everything that's going on inside the hotel attraction. Then it leads into like a cool little gift shop on the inside. Come on, Lele. Come on, baby. Check out the cool audio animatronic robotic dinosaurs. Look at this. That's so cool. Alright guys, so as you continue on through the little tour, the little Mr. T-Rex Adventure Zone, they have some cool statues of some dinosaurs And ready for Halloween, they got a skeleton T-Rex here, ready to scare everybody that walks through. And then the first thing as soon as you walk in is a dino dig, which if you find a rock with the name of a dinosaur written on it, bring it back to the store and exchange it for a free prize. So that's pretty cool. It's a fun activity for the little kids to do. We can see if Alea likes it. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after a good, hard, long session of dinosaur rock digging. Let's go check out the next adventure. Look. Yeah. Hey guys, we found gold.
Whoa!
Smile, baby. How's the gold taste? Does it taste good? Looks like money. So that's pretty cool. Panning for gold. Now, we got this. So we're walking through this dino park area with some cool photo shot areas for families and stuff. Look, cool photo opportunities. Let's see what else we got. It's a cool little hiking trail. Looks like the girls are gonna do a little photo op. Mommy and Lele. Look at that baby. Now somebody asked where babies came from. You came from an egg. So I'm not really too good at naming dinosaurs, but if I had to say, these are velociraptors. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think their names are? Velociraptors? Oh, duh, it's right in front of me. Alright. So, this is pretty cool. This is like a little desert Jurassic Park type of thing. And it's pretty cool to bring the family, especially like on an afternoon that's not hot, that's not cold, but just perfect. It's really cool. The weather's perfect. It's not too bad. Maybe a bottle of water would work. That's all you pretty much need, and then some good tennis shoes. So, let's see what else they got. Ooh, they got one of these. This is a Chingaderasaurus because it has a bunch of chingaderas hanging from its back.
Live your whole life and never been to this thing?
Yeah, we lived about 20 minutes from this thing and we've never came here before. So, I thought it was pretty cool. Alright, here's another T-Rex. I guess they come in all sizes. There you go. Here's a hungry fella. Oh, Blue! Hi, Blue! House. You see a house? Alright, so it looks like Lele is leading the adventure. The brave little explorer. Alright. Where are we going, baby? Where are you taking us to? Looks like she's taking us to the T-Rex. The huge T-Rex. Knock knock. Tell him knock knock, who's there? T-Rex. Roar, T-Rex. So what do you think so far, Mommy?
Pretty cool. I actually like it.
Want to do this thing?
There's actually a lot to do. Like it's like a full day, I feel.
What was your favorite thing that we've done so far?
I think the panning for gold was pretty cute. That's kind of cool. Found a lot of gold. A whole bag's worth.
Show them the
I
bag.
think we're gonna be rich.
Wow, not bad. Best part is when, as you're walking through these trails, they have these little misters everywhere. They're pretty cool because they cool you off if it's really hot. And Lele, she loves to fill the misters. Look at dinosaurs here. They actually got a good variety of dinosaurs in different like species and types of dinosaurs, not just one single one throughout the whole entire route that you're walking. So that's pretty cool. Look, we got some Triceratops and the baby. Pretty cool. Look, we got Triceratops and the baby. Pretty neat. Look, baby, did you see the Triceratops and the baby? Did you see the baby and the Triceratops? You saw it? What is it, a baby? Baby dinosaur? Oh, how cute. Baby dinosaur. Look what hatched! Look what hatched inside the giant egg! Lele! Lele! Look what hatched! Say bye! Say bye!
Bye! Bye everyone!
Bye everyone!
Please say bye!
Say bye! Say bye! Look, baby, a butterfly! Touch it, get it! Oh, it flew! Go away! It's a butterfly! Alright guys, so that was our Dino Adventure. So Mom, what'd you think?
It's pretty cool. I'd actually come back again.
Lele, what'd you think, baby?
Fun?
Did you like it?
It was fun!
No?
She's tired. She's ready for a nap.
She's tired, guys. That's what happens. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe. If you like this video, please leave a comment below. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to catch more of our adventures. We got a lot of adventures coming up that are going to take us all throughout Southern California and beyond. So make sure you guys subscribe to the Des family. So Daddy, Mommy, and Lele signing off tonight, guys. Take care of yourselves, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys later. Des fam, we out.